Guangdong Xinnian Lighting Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, called Guangzhou Zhongxinlian Stage Photoelectric Equipment Factory. We are growing fast into a big manufacturer in stage lighting, engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of stage moving beam light, par light, strobe light, cutting light, lifting lights, and etc. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ROS certificates. We have worked with a large number of foreign companies to carry out technical cooperation. With innovative ideas, excellent quality, perfect detection system, and etc. The industry enjoys a certain degree of visibility. With our cost-effective products, standardized market operations, and good after-sales services, integrity is the purpose, so that all dealers and users and their peers agree. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, and South America, Asia, and etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. RMB brand products are in strict accordance with country's source of materials, design and development, workshop production, management, testing.
We can provide stage lighting and stage equipment which meet requirements. Welcome to contact us.